Hello eBayers, something awesome for you today. Nickelodeon alarm clock. This is actually the alarm clock that I used growing up. It's in pretty excellent condition. Everything works. I'll give you a demo of it right now. Press this button when it's on alarm on or alarm off. Turn on the radio. Got buttons on the back here. Set the time, set the alarm, switch from AM to FM. That thing on the top there is a light. It'll come on with the alarm, or you can just press that button. And do a demo of all the alarm sounds.
3, 2, 1.
And that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.